Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be working on this thriftflip skirt. If you want to know how it turns out, you need to keep watching. I'm actually using an old dress for this skirt. So now I'm going to mark where my skirt waist is going to start from, and using a straight ruler and a chalk, I'm rolling that to indicate that. The next thing I'm doing is cutting off my skirt, and then we don't need anything to do with the upper part again. Then you are going to need an 1.5 inch wide elastic band for this, and cut it according to your waist length, but ensure that it's like 2 inches smaller than your waist circumference. Then you want to sew this together so it should look like this afterwards. So once that's done, you need to attach this with office pin to the skirt waist. So, and also before you do that, you have to use a chalk to identify the other half of the waistband. So get your waistband, elastic band, and attach it from one side seam of the skirt to the other side seam of the skirt. Make use of your office pin and pin this down to guide you when you're about to sew it. So we are going to be doing this around all the skirt waist. So take your time, just to make sure everything is set and you don't rush this process. You need to take your time. So once that's done, we have to move to the sewing machine and then sew it round. So, and this is what I'm doing. So I'm actually sewing with 1/4 inch. So I'll be sewing around the skirt like I mentioned before. And I'm actually using a straight stitch, so you should use a straight stitch for that. And once that's done, you need to flip the elastic outward and you need to stop stitch this. But with the top stitching, I'll be using zigzag stitches for this because I actually wanted to give it like a refined finished look. So once that's done, then you see the way the inside looks. It looks really professional, clean, and you definitely love this. So you can decide to rock this skirt like this if you want, and if you don't like it, then there's another option for you. So subscribe to this channel if you love what you're seeing, and if you're new here, thank you for watching. So this is the second option. So you have to measure the skirts from one side to the other. So the length of the skirt is actually 28 or thereabout, I can't remember, but whatever the length you get with your material, divide it into 2. Then you have to mark half of the skirt length to indicate where they have, where that is. Once that's been indicated, repeat the process on the other side of the skirt as well. And here is where the trick starts. You are going to be needing elastic band, and this is 1/2 inch elastic band, so you need 2, and each is 13.5 inches long. Divide this into 2. You have what you have and all that. Then you have to mark the half of 13.5 on the elastic, so this will be your guiding step. So you want to do the same thing for the second elastic band, which is also 13.5. So when you divide 13.5 by 2, whatever you get is what you're going to use to mark the half of the length of the elastic. So you want to start by pinning it from the edge of the skirt. Then the next one you want to do is to pin the half part to the half measurement on the skirt exactly, because we all know the elastic is very stretchy. Then you want to hold the edge also and then pin that down as well before you start pinning the rest, because what we are doing now is the bend and ruched skirt design. So that's it. You want to repeat the same process for the other side of the skirt, and this is what it looks like. So, and also you need to use other pins to hold it down so that it can guide you when you're sewing it, and you need to keep stretching that when you're doing that. So, and this is what it looks like. Sorry, I ran out of battery and my phone went off while I was recording. So this is what it looks like after sewing the elastic to the skirt, and we have a ruched, bend and ruched mini skirt. And as you can see, it looks entirely different from the first design, and I think this is more classy and more nicer. So, and this is what it looks like on me. Girl, like, Fashion Nova ain't got nothing on me. I know I look good, and it cost me exactly nothing. The elastic band I have in my house, the side elastic band also I have in my house, and the dress is an old dress that I have in my house. So that is one of the good reasons you need to flip your clothes, upcycle your clothes, to help you save money and also to keep the what's environment clean from waste and unnecessary unnecessary waste. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you. If you're new to this channel and you're still watching this, please click on the subscribe button. We'd love to have you as part of our DIY family. And if you're already a subscriber, you know I've got crazy my love for you, and I respect you. I appreciate you for your support, for always being here every week by week, you know, watching our video, pressing the like button, and also sharing our video link, and also commenting. I appreciate you so much. So guys, see you next week. Bye.